In this video, we're going to look at the plate heat exchanger. By the end of the video, you will know all of the plate heat exchanger's main components, how it works, and some of the advantages and disadvantages associated with this type of heat exchanger. Gaskets and plates are used to separate the flow mediums and prevent them mixing. The gaskets are adhered to one side of each plate only. The plates hang upon a carry bar and are pressed together using clamping bolts. When the plates are compressed together, they form a plate stack. A guide bar ensures the plates are aligned correctly when the plate stack is opened and closed. Corrugations on the plate surfaces prevent laminar flow and promote turbulent flow, which increases the heat transfer rate, whilst also reducing the likelihood of deposits accumulating upon the plate surfaces. The hot medium enters the heat exchanger through the hot medium inlet. Gaskets direct the hot medium as it flows through the heat exchanger. Each plate has an alternating gasket pattern. The hot medium flows into the space between a pair of plates, but does not flow into the space between the next pair of plates because the gaskets prevent this. The gaskets are able to maintain a seal between the plates even when the system pressure and temperature varies. Holes in each gasket, known as telltales, are used to identify leaking gaskets. This feature allows operators to change the affected plate before the leaking medium leaks through the next gasket and contaminates the other flowing medium. There are several ways to vary the cooling capacity of a heat exchanger. One way is to regulate the outlet valves so that the flow is increased or decreased. This method is useful because no dismantling of the heat exchanger occurs. Another way is to increase or decrease the number of plates in the plate stack. Increasing the number of plates in the plate stack gives a corresponding increase in cooling capacity. There are numerous advantages associated with plate heat exchangers. Plate heat exchangers weigh less, require less space, and are more efficient compared to other heat exchanger designs of the same size.